Hello, my little raspberry pies with vanilla ice cream. How are you today? That was, my husband told me that I should call you that. I didn't have a dessert name to call you today. It is, what day? Day 11 of SSSVEDA, vlogging every day in April. And instead of doing what was on the calendar, I made a vlog of us going to the beach because that's what we did this morning. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's go. Hello, my lovelies. Today we are on the way to the beach, and I'm vlogging in front of my husband. You can't see him. That's his arm, but I am vlogging in front of him. And we have our dog, Crazy Daisy. Daisy! That's Daisy. And Tucker's back there in his car seat. Anyways, so we're going to the beach. First we have to go get coffee. That's really important. And then we're gonna go to, there's a casino on the way. We're gonna go get some breakfast and then fun at the beach. So come along for the ride. We got coffee, so I don't think probably most of you guys know what Dutch Brothers is. I think it's a Pacific Northwest thing. Now we can start the day because I've got my coffee. Oh well, and we have to get breakfast, and then I'll be good. At the beach. Ah! I'm like falling. Look. There's the beach behind me. Say Tucker, say we're at the beach. Look. Hey. Look. Say we're at the beach. We're at the beach. It's a beautiful day. It's a little bit windy. But we're here. We made it. Look at that. I think the tide is in. It's cold. A big house. What do you think? Is it cold?
Oh my gosh, it's so empty here. I love it.
Moses opened this room.
Just Tucker. And stop. Looking both ways. You remember our first date out here?
Yep, and you got burned like a lobster.
I had to carry the cooler like forever and a year.
Yeah. Come on, Daisy. Let's go down to the bay. It's not so windy here. Not so windy here. We're just sitting here at the beach. not as windy right here. It's kind of like this bay area. So we're just sitting, enjoying the sunshine. Tucker got to put his toes in the sand. I think we're gonna go to the mall. There's an outlet mall here, so I think we're gonna go do that after this. Yeah. So we're just gonna sit here and enjoy the sun a little bit more. You say hi? Yeah, say hi. And we'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Okay, we're leaving the beach now. We were only here for like half a day, but that's okay because it's very windy and cold. There's Daisy. Crazy dog. So we did a little bit of shopping, got Tucker an outfit for his birthday, and now we're gonna go home. I'm gonna do some homework, and then my sister-in-law and her family are coming, and we're gonna go to dinner, right? That's where we're gonna go to dinner. And I'm gonna try to put some videos up because I didn't put my video up yesterday. So I will see you guys when we get home. Bye.